Achieve pinpoint focus on any moving subject with the Sony A1's incredible auto-tracking capabilities. First, let's dive into subject recognition. Navigate to the camera's menu. Then the AF tab. Here, you'll find AF subject detection. Select auto to let the camera intelligently choose or toggle it to model, animal, or bird for dedicated, optimized tracking. Next up is tracking sensitivity. Crucial for adapting to different speeds. Go back to the AF menu and select tracking sensitivity. Setting of 5 offers a balanced approach for most situations. Increase it to 6 for incredibly fast or erratic subjects, and lower it to 4 or 3 if your subject is moving more predictably or to avoid losing focus when it momentarily pauses. Unlock advanced control with customization under the AF menu. Explore AF customization and AF-1. AF to settings. Experiment with AF waist level comp to prevent the camera from focusing on the background. When tracking a subject from a distance, you can also fine-tune AF point switching how the camera moves between focus points when tracking. For video, these settings are just as vital. Ensure your AF drive speed is set appropriately a slower speed for cinematic, smooth focus transitions, and a faster speed for action like sports. Tweak these options, and you'll witness a dramatic improvement in the consistency and sharpness of your focus on even the most challenging moving subjects, elevating your photo and video content.